I think. Man, Christmas is around the corner. Are you guys ready? Are you guys done shopping? Or do you like to be that last minute shopper on Christmas Eve out in the hustle and bustle for the hunt? Yep, not me. Online, already done. But anyway, I wanted to show you a DIY hot oil treatment I do for my hair occasionally. I'm just going to mix up all the oils that I have, and I'll tell you what benefits they have for the hair, and then I'll just show you how I use it and how it leaves my hair after the application and leaving it in for a couple of minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. So, yep, I hope you like the part of me mixing all the oils I had on hand. I just Frankensteined it. Whatever oils I had in my house already, I just put together. And as I was pouring it in the bowl, I was explaining to you guys the benefits of the oils for your natural hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. I don't think that I've ever done a DIY hot oil treatment on my channel, and I have over 500 videos. So I don't do this all the time, but I figured for Curlmas, why not? So go ahead, run some water. To the loop of my hair, I'm gonna split it in half. Again, water. Just want to make my hair damp, not too wet. And I'm gonna touch the oil. Liquid gold, right? It's not too hot, obviously, since I'm touching it. I'm just gonna run this in my hair. I might do this more. I haven't done a hot oil treatment in my hair for years. But I just thought, just to see what it does. I probably made too much oil because I forget my hair is not thick anymore. So I'll have a whole bunch left for the next treatment. Okay. Did that side, now this side. Let's wet her a little bit more. Okay. It's kind of messy because I don't have. Definitely focusing it on my ends too. That. More on my ends. Am I on the frame? Okay, so I'm gonna get it closer so you can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna grab a little plastic bag. I got a plastic bag to be official. Or a shower cap, I should say, because usually I use just like a plastic bag from a store or something. So I'm gonna do this. My hair is saturated. Make sure you wear a shirt that you don't care about, because you can get oil spots all over it. Okay. Shiny hands. Alright guys, I'm going to keep this in my head for an hour or however long. Rinse it out and I'll come back and show you the result. So what do you think of my hair? It's very shiny. It's very soft, and I don't do this as often. I do a hot oil treatment when I feel my hair needs it. So when I need an extra point punch of moisturization, that's when I do it. So like I always say, guys, love the skin you're in, embrace your uniqueness, and be the good. See you tomorrow.